Only 3 people know the verdict in the murder trial of Oscar Pistorius. Thursday, a judge in South Africa sits alongside 2 assessors and presents her decision to the world. CCTV's Guy Anderson reports from Pretoria.
Having taken Reeva Steenkamp's life, Pistorius has been fighting for his own. The maximum sentence, 25 years without parole for premeditated murder. Prosecutors have shown little mercy.
You know that the same happened to Reeva's head. It exploded. Have a look.
My lady, I was there that night.
That's it. Have a look there, mister. I know you don't want to because you don't want to take responsibility, but it's time that you look at it.
This case may rest on the athlete's own testimony.
And I sat over Reeva and I cried.
Emotional.
She wasn't breathing.
Apparently inconsistent, but a liar exposed or a broken man under intense pressure.
The one thing that stood out to me about his time on the stand was, first of all, just how long he was kept on the stand in cross-examination, and secondly, how aggressive Harry Nell was in cross-examining Pistorius.
Much of the forensics a common cause. Perhaps the principal disputed evidence remains who heard what. Has the defence cast reasonable doubt on accounts of a woman's screams and shots?
I understand you believing that the noises that you heard were gunshot voices. I understand that. But you have to factor in the following. One, that once you know, subsequently, you get that confirmation for you believe that the woman was shot by Mr. Pistorius. It cements, that knowledge cements your belief.
Ultimately, though, it may come down to why.
Rarely has a trial been so widely watched and so intensely scrutinised. The whole world, it seems, has pored over the evidence, and yet not even the sharpest legal minds can quite agree on which way the next chapter in this extraordinary, tragic tale may go when Oscar Pistorius walks through the doors behind me in just a few hours. That chapter has already been written, though, and it is only the view, ultimately, of Judge Thokozile Masipa that counts. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Pretoria, South Africa.